Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I request to all of you, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's start the video. Today's topic is what is Facebook, and we are going to discuss about its benefit. Facebook is one of the largest social media platform globally. Founded in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg, it allows users to connect with friends, family, and businesses by sharing posts, photos, videos, and messages. Over the years, Facebook has evolved into a multifunctional platform that caters to personal, professional, and business needs. Benefits of Facebook. Number first is global connectivity. Facebook connects users from all over the world, allowing people to interact with friends, family, colleagues, and new acquaintances regardless of geographical boundaries. Number second is business promotion. Facebook offers business a platform to promote their products and services, helping them reach a wide audience through Facebook pages and groups. Number three is targeted advertising. Facebook ad allows business to run highly targeted campaigns based on user demographics, interests, behaviors, and location, maximizing ad effectiveness. Number fourth is community building. Users can create and join groups that align with their interests, hobbies, or professional needs for fostering a sense of community and connection. Number fifth is content sharing. Facebook enables users to share various types of content such as photos, videos, links, and status updates, making it easy to spread information. Real time communication. With Facebook Messenger, users can chat in real time, share multimedia, and make video or audio calls, improving communication between friends, family, and businesses. Event promotion. Facebook events allows users and businesses to create, promote, and manage events, making it easy for attendees to RSVP and stay updated on event details. Brand awareness. Business can enhance brand recognition and customer loyalty by consistently interacting with their audience through posts, ads, and comments. Customer engagement. Facebook offers multiple ways for business to engage with their customers, such as through comments, polls, and direct messaging. Marketplace for selling. Facebook Marketplace provides users with a local platform to buy and sell items, offering business and individuals a quick way to sell goods. Entertainment. Facebook provides entertainment through games, live streaming, memes, videos, and trending stories, keeping users engaged. Number 12 is educational content. Many organizations, institutions, and influencers use Facebook to share educational content, tutorials, and online classes, making it a valuable learning resource. Increased website traffic. Business and individuals can use Facebook to share links to blogs, products, or external website, driving traffic to other online platforms. Number 14th is customer feedback. Facebook provides businesses with valuable feedback from customers through reviews, comments, and messages, helping improve services. Networking opportunities. Facebook is an excellent platform for networking with industry professionals, potential business partners, and like minded individuals. Crisis communication. In times of crisis or emergency, Facebook allows users to update their safety status through features like safety safety check and provides a space to share information quickly. Cost effective marketing. Facebook provides business with affordable marketing tool allowing them to reach a large audience with minimal investment compared to traditional advertising method. So guys, this is the end of our topic. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for the next lecture. Goodbye.